let's go to thyroid hormones, this big asterisk. Okay, so this is why I'm showing you this like tyrosine ring over here. So the basic backbone of thyroid hormone is made from two tyrosines. Again, monoamine meaning one, but it's actually a diamine. So it has two, or made from two amino acids. Oop, I guess my animation isn't working here. But it's made from two iodinated tyrosines on thyroglobulins. So this is why it's like, okay, or maybe I can fix this right here. Yeah, this is more what it's supposed to look like. So this is what it's supposed to look like here. Maybe it's not because I'm not using a work computer, it's not working here. But, so tyrosine is going to look like this without the iodines. Thyroid hormone, when it's its final structure, is going to look more like this. So what happens is that, remember that tyrosine, that's the one with just one hexagon? So notice that in the final structure of, well, one of the forms of thyroid hormone we call thyroxine, it preserves those two hexagons. So it's not quite like those tryptophan and those tryptamines, and it's not quite the steroids. It's two hexagons, but it's not like the hexagon linked to a pentagon, nor is it that three hexagons linked to a pentagon. So thyroid hormone, if you see these classic two hexagons, these what we call phenyl rings, this is the classic backbone of a thyroid hormone. Now, whether it's T4 or T3, it depends on the presence of these iodine atoms. In the next slide right here, so hopefully this slide is alright. So it starts off as tyrosine, and then you link two of them together. So this little ring right here, it can have these iodine atoms attached to it. And again, this is also another classic sign that it's thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone is where of these hormones that we covered, this is the only one that has iodine attached to it. So what we have are those two tyrosines being linked together. Again, this is why we have those two hexagons. And then you have a bunch of iodine atoms added to the structure of linked to the structure of these hormones and chemicals. And this is what we have. So notice that we have, again, two tyrosines, you add iodine, and then you have two of these linked together. So this process is what we call iodination, when you add these iodines to the structures.